The Ranger's Path is a popular hiking trail in Snowdonia National Park, North Wales. It's considered one of the easiest routes up to Snowdon. However, it still requires a good level of fitness and appropriate hiking gear, as the travel can be steep and rocky in places. Hikers may also see some of the local wildlife, including sheep, ponies and birds of prey.
Oh, good morning everybody, and we're in Wales and we are heading up towards Snowdon. We're not going to go to the summit, we're heading up the Ranger's Path towards Snowdon. So we're within the Ridvey Valley and we're coming up that side, and I've had to start. We've only been walking 5 minutes, started on the zigzag. We've just started the zigzag and we've got the scene in front of us and it's stunning. We've got the mountain, which is part of the Mantle Ridge, but I don't know actually what the mountain's called. I will try and find it out for you though. Mantle Ridge, isn't it? Is it the Mantle Ridge, is it? Right, okay. And but it's capped by this dirty cloud, because we've got rain showers coming through, as you can probably see. You can see it on my glasses and what have you. But then the actual mountain itself has got a little bit of sort of ambient light on it, and then the foreground is dark again. We've got the woodland in the foreground with the lake in front of that, and it's dark and it's moody and it's lovely. And the other shot, which is probably gone now, is actually looking down the valley, but I'm going to try and get it because it's still really moody. Got the long lens on. Maybe I could have come actually a touch wider, but if not, I'll probably crop the lake out and get it more a letterbox crop. But I've had to stop. We're with a group of us, there's 6 of us, and like I say, we're going to plod along and get some images. But we've all seen this similar type of images, and we've had to stop. Even Martin stopped and pinched my image. He does it all the time to me. He's nasty. So yeah, it's just one of those. I think it's going to be one of them days. It's going to clear, you're going to get some super images, and then it's going to come in and we're going to get soaking wet. It's going to be one of them days, definitely. So I'm going to try and capture this image as well. It actually looks nice because there's the odd little pocket of light, and it's all layers of light. So I'm going to get that shot. Probably go a fair bit in. There is a little, I was hoping to just incorporate this bit of a road. The problem I got is, I know the problem I got, there's a tree in the way of the road, so I wonder whether that's why it's better from where Ginger's up the top here. That makes sense to me, because I'm getting rid of, but it will get rid of the road, I think. I won't incorporate it, but there's trees in the way of the road at the minute. I'm going to move up a little bit, but probably about 100 yards up, get another image from just up here. Nice shot in the bag already.
My name's Steve and I'm a landscape photographer.
Oh yeah, my name's Steve and I'm a landscape photographer. Apparently. Okay, so we've just come to a split in the road. One that heads towards Llanberis and the other one that's heading towards Snowdon. We're heading towards the Snowdon. We're getting these showers coming in, so I've just kitted me up with the old wets, even though I'm already wet, so not the best plan in the world, but never mind. And I've just seen this image here, and I thought I've just got to spend 5 minutes and try and get it. We had the light in the valley, a little bit of light in the valley, all this drama, rain showers, you name it, we've got it. but I'm actually trying to incorporate this little sty on the left hand side, and I think it just adds to the story of the image. Not only that, I love the grasses in front of that. It is really nice. What I'm actually thinking of, if I drop that down, there's a nice little bit of leading line of this grass as it runs through these long grasses. Long grasses are like this burnt orange, beautiful, matching my coat, and yeah, it looks really nice. We've got the sty on the left hand side, and then looking back down into Ridby, a little bit of light in there, but it's all this drama really. What I'm doing, I'm focusing on the steps, the little sty that goes over this fence, and bracketing the shot as well. Try and pull that drama out of the sky, and hopefully I've captured it. It does look stunning. Stunning. Yes. Okay, crack on. I'd just like to stop the video there because I wasn't over keen on how the image actually came out, because we'd got the sty on the left hand side, all the light and drama was on the right, and the sty is leading you out the image. Even though we've got that grass running to it, I almost needed the light where the sty was, but I do manage to capture it again on the way back down, and the light is so much better. I think we're probably about 5 minutes away from where we're planning to sort of end up. I don't think we're going to the top of Snowdon. Not sure if it's a wise thing to do, and as you can see, or maybe not, that it's heavy drizzle. For Wales, it's heavy drizzle. But this is why it's worth putting up with this, to get them little pockets of light. Right, yeah. So yeah, you get them little pockets of light, and it's worth all the effort. And it's not cold, not really. So yeah, we're going to head to this ridge where we can hopefully look over both sides. That's the plan. If it's not clagged in, like I say, we'll get the odd pocket of light. Okay, crack on. We're starting to head back down. We was thinking about heading up towards the summit, to be honest, but it's just clagged in. So for us as a photographers, it just would not work. Just give me a second. There you go. So, but on the way up, I spotted this wall. I just love the wall. I love the wall with all this grass around it. And it would be actually quite a minimal shot, to be honest. So I've decided to try and capture it on the way down. And we did have a bit of a shower come through, and I was hoping to capture that as it went through the valley here, but I've missed that, to be honest. But I'm going to try and capture this shot. I might even do it in a portrait, but I really want it pretty simple. I want it to be as simple as possible. But I just like that contrast of the wall. I like how the wall bends round and it goes up to this massive rock. It won't look massive in the image, but there's a massive rock there that's just sitting there all on its own. It must be 20 tonne. And then you got that mood in the background, that bowl that leads you up to the other side of Snowdon there. But it's happening again, and it's happening again. So yeah, so I'm going to capture that. So where are we? So I've done a sort of a landscape shot. I love the colours. I love everything about it. It really is stunning. Absolutely stunning. The only sort of frustration is the wall bends in and then bends back towards the rock. If the rock was over a little bit, or the wall was in a slightly different direction anyway, I think it'd work even better. But I'm not disappointed in it at all. But what I'm going to try and do, I think, is actually not shoot the rock and just shoot the wall, and do that in a portrait mode, because I can't get, like I say, the rock's too far away to get the rock in a portrait mode, so I'm just going to concentrate on the wall, I think. Ooh. Let's have a go at that. So I'm just putting that wall just coming in to relieve. Right, okay, that's what I'm going to do. What is nice, okay, I like that, actually like that. So we've got the wall coming in from the bottom right hand corner, and I've just gone a bit further in from the wall, because the wall actually, I don't think it finishes, but it dips down into, there's a little bit of a stream there. So I've made it so your mind's thinking, what's this side of the wall? And then it leads you up, and then what I've noticed in the background is we've got a lovely waterfall in the background there. So what I'm actually going to do, and the wall zigzags in, so that works really well, because it leads you up to this waterfall on the other side. So hopefully, let's see what's happened there. Is it my lens a bit wet? Good, yes it is. The sensor on the eyepiece is getting a little bit wet. But that is so nice. Let's have a look, see if we've nice and sharp. That looks pretty good actually. That's pretty good. The wind is getting up, so what I'm actually going to do, I'm actually just going to up the ISO a little bit. When I've took that image by mistake, I'm going to up the ISO and just quicken the shutter speed. So I'm going to go about ISO 400, so I can up the shutter speed because of this bit of a wind and this long lens. Refocus. I'm just going to check that the lens is clean as well.
That bit there?
On the corner of it, yeah, on the zigzag. What I've noticed as soon as I've done it is, because I've done a wider shot, that it's leading up to the waterfall behind. If you have a look. So it actually works extremely well. I went landscape,
oh nice,
to get the rock in.
I like it.
And then what I've done is try to finish the wall there,
Yeah.
and then bring it round, and then it sort of brings you back into the waterfall that's in the distance there. It's quite nice.
You got the fence post in now that's coming in from the left.
That fence post. Is it?
There's a few of them.
Yeah,
That rock.
Yeah.
I think.
You're thinking about going in even further, deeper?
Well, no, not even that. I'd probably actually remove those fence posts.
Oh yes, yeah, maybe. It's something. It's at the moment it's very hard to see. Yes, they're the ruining it. That's right. Yeah, it separates it, doesn't it? Yeah, because I quite like this foregroundy bit here. Yeah. But yeah, them fence posts. It's until you get it back into you need to get it on the computer, don't you? And have a look.
Me and Daz stopped back there. We've got the telephoto out the waterfalls.
Right, right.
Did a nice, just a simple portrait. Straight the waterfall right in the middle. Yeah. Surrounded by those two flanks of rocks. It's quite nice, obviously, with the clouds. Right. Yeah. Simple, but I think it's going to be a nice shot. Yeah. No, I've seen this on the way up, and I wanted it on the way up, and I thought I'm definitely going to try it when I come back down. I love that how the wall really sticks out, but with that colour, I love the colour and everything. Yeah.
Okay, so we've backed down to the stile that we was taking a shot earlier of, but the light is absolutely superb. I'm loving. I've been taking some shots at about 70mm or with the longer lens on, getting the style in, and then I've just changed my lens to my 24-70, and I love this green grass, and then the green grass, and then these long grasses that are nice and burnt and brown and golden colour. We've got the wall leading up to this absolutely epic scene in the background there with this mood on the mountain. It looks superb. But I think that's us done from the Ranger's Path. Had a super morning, and I'm sure there's actually more images to be taken on the way down even. But I'm done. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da.